Have you ever wondered how the biggest companies in the world became so successful? It didn't happen overnight. Every giant company you see today started small, often from a garage, a dorm room, or even with just one simple idea. Let's take Apple, for example. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak started building computers in a garage. They believed that technology should be personal, and that vision changed the entire world. Their success came from innovation and creating products people didn't even know they needed. Now think about Amazon. Jeff Bezos began by selling books online. Just books! But his vision was bigger, a store that sells everything. By focusing on customer obsession and reinvesting profits, Amazon became the largest e-commerce company in the world. And what about Google? Two students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, wanted to make searching the internet easier. Their search engine was simple but powerful. They focused on solving a real problem, and today, Google is the gateway to the world's information. Then there's Coca-Cola. It started as a small drink in a pharmacy in Atlanta. Through powerful branding, storytelling, and consistency, Coca-Cola became not just a beverage, but a global symbol of happiness and refreshment. Finally, let's look at Tesla. Elon Musk took a huge risk by betting on electric cars when nobody believed in them. By combining innovation, bold marketing, and a strong mission to change the world, Tesla became the leader in the electric vehicle industry. So what do these giants have in common? They started small. They solved real problems. They took risks when others didn't. And they never stopped innovating. The truth is, success leaves clues. If you want to build something big, start with a clear vision, focus on solving real problems, and never be afraid to think differently. Which of these companies inspires you the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring business stories. Rugged Workplace.